Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete Windows updated files. So without further ado, let's start the video. First of all, click your start button, the Windows button, right click it here and go to File Explorer, and on the right side click this PC option here and select the folder that you install your Windows to. Mine is C drive. Just click it and go to Windows option here. And now scroll down, and here you can find the software distribution folder. Click that option and then click download option here, and this is all the files that your Windows updated file. To delete it, press Ctrl A and just press the delete button on your keyboard, and after that just click continue and your updated file will be deleted. And after deleting that, you have to empty your recycle bin, then it will be permanently deleted. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.